Hello to everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, this is the part 2 of how I tighten up a loose and deep armpit from a clothes. So this is my clothes. I am going to, but anyway guys, I removed 3/4 sleeve from here because I didn't like it. And I am going to just make it simple. Um, Fold this one here like this and sew it by my hand. And also here, because I'm going to pair this clothes from another long sleeve. So I will be sewing it here. So guys, it's done already. It's done, and as I said earlier, I removed the 3/4 sleeve from here. So this is it. This is it, the 3/4 sleeve. I just don't like the style. That's why I removed this one from here. And now I'm going to, pair this one with another sleeve, but it's different. Okay, so this is the sleeve that long sleeve that I'm going to pair with this clothes. So let's check it out, guys. I'm going to wear this one, and I will show you. This is it now. So I removed the sleeve, 3/4 sleeve. So this one is the 3/4 sleeve from this clothes. So this one has a garter. I don't like it. This here, before, but I just don't like it because I want to pair this clothes with another long sleeve that is so, that has something on it. So guys, I will try this one on for this clothes. Okay, so wait a while. So, four.